Hey, this is Pete at Graphics, and I wanted to talk today about iPhoto photo printing. So, as most of you know, iPhoto is an application that comes with Macintosh OS 10 operating system and others, and it's built into MacBooks and iMacs and all sorts of Apple desktop and portable products. And it's a great application. It's free. It comes with your Mac, and but it also allows you to easily organize your photos. It imports photos from cameras. It imports photos from your iPhone. It lets you tag them. It finds faces. It's very cool. But sometimes you want to make prints, and so I took these photos in Annisquam, which is in Gloucester, up near where I live in Massachusetts, and it's very cool. A couple of years ago, I took these photos, and I'd like to make some prints. So let's look at a few different ways that we can do this. So first, I'm going to go to a website in Firefox of a company that has an online printing solution, and I'm going to click Make Prints. It will load some printing application or another. I'll say sure, install it. I'm going to say yes, add photos from my computer, where the photos are from iPhoto. So if we want to browse the computer for the photos, well, let's see, where would we look? That's me. Typically, photos are in the Pictures folder, so let me double click on Pictures. And there it is, iPhoto Library. So that's where the photos would be, but it's kind of grayed out, and I'm trying to click on it, and I can't. So this application, this online application, just doesn't let you browse the photos on your Macintosh hard drive. So let's take a look at a different application, that is PhotoCentral. And we'll do the same thing. We'll say we're going to make prints. And our application for uploading will launch. And same thing, you kind of can browse the hard drive. Again, I'm going to go to Peter. And in Peter, again, I see pictures, so I'm going to click there, and there's my iPhoto library. But this time, the iPhoto library loads, so I can look at well, I guess most likely it's originals, right? And that was in 2010, and let's see, yeah, there it is. So these photos, I would just add them to my folder, and then click send and make a print order. And many of you have done this before with our system. So that's easy. But an even cooler way to manage your iPhoto photos is with something we call the iPhoto plugin for PhotoCentral. And that's an install straight from the PhotoCentral website. It's on your, if we go back, let's go back to the website here on the profile page. If you sign in, go back to our profile page. If you sign in, you'll see Download Cool Tools. This is the place where you can get the PhotoCentral plugin for iPhoto. It's on the profile page if you sign in. So you got to tell your customers to sign in. But once they've done that, if we go back to our iPhoto, you can now select a bunch of photos and say File, Export, and what you get is one of the options is PhotoCentral. You put your login information in. You can name the album. You can say I want to view the photos after I upload them, and you can just export them. And what we're going to do is upload the photos from iPhoto, and then we're going to launch PhotoCentral. And from PhotoCentral, you'll be able to make a print order. You can even make things like cards and books and so forth. So I've jumped ahead after the upload finishes and the photos get dropped into this gallery. This is the next screen that you'd see. And as you can see, these are the photos I uploaded. This is the name of the album. And so from the gallery now, I can elect to print the photos or make gifts or books or calendars and so forth. So I'm going to make prints. So I'll click on the print icon, and I would like, I think, one 4x6 of each. I'm going to check out. I don't have any special instructions, so I'm just going to click next. These are the photos in my cart. Click next again. I'd like to pick up my order. That's my billing information. And I'm going to submit the order. And really, that's all it takes to print from iPhoto on the Mac with PhotoCentral. So this is Pete at Graphics. See you next time.